Hello and welcome. My name is Mahrukh Saeed Gillani and I'm truly excited to be your instructor here on this platform. I'm a passionate microbiologist and educator with a solid academic background in microbiology and molecular genetics. I hold a bachelor's degree in microbiology and I'm currently pursuing my MPhil in the same field. Over the years, I have worked as a laboratory technologist, a research assistant, and now as an online educator, creating accessible and engaging content for science lovers like you. The subjects I teach include microbiology, molecular biology, environmental microbiology, and key genetic techniques like DNA extraction, PCR sequencing, and more. My goal is simple: to make complex scientific concepts easy to understand and apply, whether you're a student, a researcher, or someone who just enjoys learning science. You will find my courses are easy, practical, and easy to follow. Practice for exam preparation, research work, or skill building. I explain topics in simple, step-by-step manner so you can learn with confidence at your own pace. Thank you for trusting in me as an instructor. Let's begin this educational journey together. I look forward to learning with you and using this platform to educate you. Thank you. On this channel, I will teach you the microbiology and molecular biology techniques, from DNA isolation to how to streak a plate. So don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and press the bell icon button so you don't miss any of my videos. And don't forget to follow my social media handles in the description below.